Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video, where we see how we can highlight text in Capcut. Open up Capcut and load your assets. Now drag your asset to the timeline. Go to the text tool and add the default text to the timeline. Stretch it to fit your asset or image. Now change the text to 2 underscores. Also change the text color according to your liking. Now disable uniform scale and adjust the width and height according to your liking. Position the text according to yourself. Now change the opacity. Now right-click on your text layer and change it to a compound clip. Now click on the compound clip and go to the mask option and select the horizontal mask. Rotate the mask to 270 degrees and then add keyframes at the starting and end of your desired duration. And there you have it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.